Hi everyone, welcome to Genius Education. Today we are going to discuss on a topic called skills for supply chain future. Before going to this topic, I want to say you something that there is a quantum leap exciting in the technology enhancement, which are not only impacting the manufacturing and service sectors, but these are also impacting the personal and work life. In this scenario, one such drive of the functionality is on supply chain management. So this is highly impacting on the supply chain management. This is where we are entering into the era of digital supply chain. You see that you need not to call your carrier or a goods and find out where your goods are. So this all can be controlled virtually at a single point, and you can get to know whether your goods are moving at a faster pace or at a slower pace. And at the same time, you need not to order or revert or change through book or fax. These are all controlled by electronically. So these are being controlled by electronically. So in order to enhance your career in supply chain, one should possess these skills. Now what I am going to say. So as a future supply chain leader, you need to increase your pace of learning in every aspect of technology. So the basics such as order management, negotiation skills, transportations and vendor management are soon going to be digitalized. Again I am saying these are soon going to be digitalized. So one should possess these skills in order to enhance their career in the supply chain and be a supply chain leader for future. So the first and foremost skill is strategic management and big thinking. This is inclusive of technology. One should have a long-term forecasting of these technologies and how these are going to impact on your supply chain. And the second one is applying end-to-end supply chain expertise. That is, one should have a core knowledge from scratch to the top what actually is happening into your supply chain. So this makes it easy for you to increase your potentiality by implementing the correct technology at the correct place. And the third one will be techno experts. This means one should have a knowledge of at least one of the technologies that are acting as a drivers of change. So these may be industrial 4.0, these may be supply chain analytics, or these may be big data analytics and many more. So one should have a knowledge on any one of these technologies so that it makes them easy. And the fourth one is control tower management. So control tower management is nothing but single point management skills. So one should adopt the single point management skills and as well as leadership skills. And the final one is skill is BPR. So this is nothing but business process re-engineering, which includes Lean and Six Sigma. So one should have the knowledge on Lean, that is the waste. What is the waste and where is the waste that is happening in our supply chain process. One should have a clear understanding about your each and every process and how can you optimize it to the better extent. So this is one of the skills that one need to adapt in order to become a future supply chain leader. So hope these are some of the 5 skills that one should adapt by themselves in order to see an elevation in their supply chain career. Again I repeat, the first one is strategic management, second one is applying real-time end-to-end supply chain expertise, and the third one is techno expertise, and fourth one is control tower management, and fifth one is business process reengineering. Hope you will adopt these skills and elevate yourself in your supply chain functionality. So it all starts with you. Learn these things and become a future supply chain leader. For further information, please contact GLANDRAMHAIL Services Private Limited. Thank you one and all. Stay safe, stay happy.